In this video, we're going to tell you how you can avoid insurance disasters. It's the stuff you don't know that can really get you. Some of you bought your homes 10 years ago or longer, and the home values have skyrocketed since then. Hi, I'm Sam Miller. Welcome to another episode of 2 Minutes on Tuesday, and
I'm Erica Miller with Remax Stars Realty, and this week's episode is going to be about homeowners insurance.
do you know how much your home's gone up in value since you purchased it? Most people would be surprised what their home is worth in the current market. Most of you are aware that home values have gone up, but in the last, basically since 2019 through today, home values here in Knox County, according to Knox County MLS, have increased by 20%. So just in a couple years, we have a 20% boost in value. This raises the question, have you updated your homeowner's insurance to reflect the current value of your home? And the reason I'm asking is because some of you bought your home, like I said, 10, 15 years ago, and you may have it insured for what you paid for it, not for replacement costs. So one thing you want to do is have a conversation with your insurance agent and confirm, are you insured based on what you paid for the property, or have they updated that in your current, with the current value and replacement cost?
Over the last year, there have been significant changes that can affect you and your home. So first, to start out, is like the cost of materials. So a lot of people don't know that the cost of materials has dramatically increased with where it was a year ago. So right now, the cost to build a house is between 40 to 50% higher than it was 2 years ago. And this is just like the lumber, the electrical, the roofing, all of that has increased, concrete, and labor even it's harder to get enough people to work, and the cost of paying the people is higher.
Exactly, and even getting a contractor right now is a challenge, and so that's why there's such an issue with the labor side of replacing your home. And the thing you want to think about is, if you had a fire in your home and say you lost half your house, you lost your kitchen and the living room, if you don't have replacement cost on your house and you bought your house 10 or 15 years ago, your insurance policy might only have enough value to put a kitchen in. It may not have enough money to take care of your living room. So it is well worth your time to have that conversation with your insurance agent, and they would normally welcome that kind of conversation. And it may be that point where you may need to tweak your insurance coverage, or at least have that conversation with them.
Well, thank you for watching this week's episode of 2 Minutes on Tuesday, and we will be back with you next week for a new video.
Have a good one.
Thanks, bye.